Okay guys, we are going to give you a little 5-minute product tour and the workings of an AC-500. This is a small American changer, one validator, one hopper, and we have a kit now. You can also change it to an MEI, simple plug and play. So without further ado, let's run a couple coins through here. I'll show you how it works. $1. Whoops, I guess we better power it up. It's a little, oh, I gotta give it some power. 1 second, guys, we were heating our breakfast. Alright, normally we like to turn them on at the switch, but if you plug them in quickly, you're okay. Alright, there's no coins in here. Let's make sure we get 4 quarters. Should be 4. Just like so. I'm not sure if we have enough to dispense $5 worth in the hopper, but let's see. Let me shut off. Yeah, okay, here we go. We have a sold out light on now, but it did dispense $5 worth. It just had enough. That feels like $5. I'm not going to count them, but I'm sure it is. So, I'll give you a little tour of what's inside here. Like I said, has a CoinCo validator. Not everybody is completely impressed with these. Let's see if I can get some light in there. Well, I had my little LED light here. I was all prepared anyways. Let's see if we get a close-up here. Well, not that great a lighting. Alright, let's move over to the bench here. I want to show you our MEI conversion kit. Make sure we don't have that tip over. Alright, here on the Mad Scientist bench, running out of room to stand here. Okay guys, this here kit, see the ends here, see the ends here. This is the 110 power side, this is the side that goes to the board. Now, this board is not exactly the same as the AC-500. This is a first generation AC-1001, but if you see the connections here, let me get a little closer here. Alright, we see the connections here. They are the same. You have a square 3x3 plug which goes in here, and right next to it is the 6-pin plug. Oops, I gotta turn it around. It goes here. Therefore, you can now hook up your MEI on this end. This is your standard 110 volt power cord. This goes into the side of your MEI like so. Now, most importantly, for some reason, people that buy our kit, they only buy the power cord. Well, in some applications that's all that's needed, but on an AC changer, you need a jumper cable. Sometimes the bigger changers would come with these. They call it a test plug. but it has to go in here, and it just sits there. That's how it operates the validator. So guys, that's how you would install an MEI. This kit is reasonable. It's less than 40 bucks, and I will put a link to it in the description down below. And I'll also put a link to the AC-500 changer that is will be on our website shortly, and it is offered for sale. Guys, for now, Doug's World Tour out.